Okay, first open the Flash your program. I mean, from go to start and open Flash. I am using Flash CS Professional version here, and open ActionScript 3.0 file. Select that and open that, and anyway, and then you will get the stage, and double click the hand tool to fix the stage, and click on the text tool on the left of the toolbar. You will see the T symbol, the text tool. You can select, click that, and then type a text in the stage. Here I am Bikram Choudhury, a PHP developer from India, and search engine optimization consultant, placing lots of clients in Google top 10. Anyway, so I am just typing my country name here, India. Okay, and it is a special font, brush script standard probably. In here I have typed India, and see that the font color has been selected probably in white. You can see in the properties below the text I am writing, you will see a properties window at the bottom. There is a field there, and you can change the font color by selecting the text. How you can select? Just double click by the selection tool in the left top, double click and text will be selected, and then select the color, black color. Anyway, so I have written the color, the text India, and now what I shall do, that is I shall break it apart in different different portions. Using the Control B or Mac PC Command B, break apart, because I want to use the text animation on the India, and separately INDIA. All the text will drop from a position to a new position. All the text, the characters INDIA will move. So I have just break them apart, and so now I want to align them so they cover the whole width of them. Now see the space even horizontally. So in the stage the characters will be spaced horizontally, will be placed horizontally. So in I at the left and A at the far right. And next step, I have distribute the whole text in layers automatically. Just right mouse on the INDIA and click distribute to layers. After Control B, they have been placed in the same layer, but by it you can automatically cover them in the different layers. And use just first keyframe, you just click on a layer and say I layer, D layer, N layer. You will see that where they are placing. They are all symbols. And now I want to put animation on I. So on frame 10 I have clicked and pressed F6, added a keyframe, and from old position I am moving it down a new position. Down means by down arrow. Just click on that and press down arrow and go to the character downward. But if I want to place all character downward simultaneously, then I have to select all the keyframes. Say on frame 10 I have to select the other keyframes, the other layers I have to select. By shifting you can do that, and press F6, and you can add keyframe to them. Now you have to add animation. So new frame position 10. At the 10th position every letter should come downward. Select all by the selection tool and down arrow, use down arrow, and they will come down. So they have got a new position. And now just add motion twin by selecting all the layers in between first frame and last frame, and right click and add create motion twin, just like I am doing. Shift, selected all the layers and create motion twin. Right mouse button used to select motion twin, and now check how they are falling. First position to last position they are falling. First position is frame, say I, first is frame 1 and last position is frame 10. INDIA, all are dropping. Now if you want to add some fading effect, then you can do one thing. How you can do add fading effect? Fading effect means, say I will be transparent to visible. Say firstly I select the I layer at the frame 1. So symbol is a movie symbol, it is now graphic symbol, and we'll see that. Now click on color and make alpha transparency to 0, so I will be invisible at frame 1. Okay, and at frame 10 you just make the alpha transparency, so that the frame 10 is selected at the I layer. Alpha transparency make 100, so it is visible. So I fading effect from transparent to non-transparent. You see the fading effect of I. Now click the N. Go to similarly to the first frame of layer N, and N symbol is selected, and click on the symbol, and you will see color. Click the symbol and you will see the color of N, I mean the N symbol. You have to select it first, then click that N and go to the color drop down, alpha transparency 0 at the first frame, so it is invisible, I mean transparent. The N letter which is placed in the N layer, in the layer pane. And now at the bottom, at the ultimate 10th frame, make alpha transparency not 100. If it is 100, then it is fully non-transparent. Make it 80, so it is semi-transparent. The N is semi-transparent, it is not fully transparent. Okay, and because it is going very fast, so you cannot follow that, so I am just adding some extra time on that. Select frame 15, select all the layers by shift key and insert frame by F5 or insert frame on the right mouse button. I am using Windows PC. So you will see that N will stay for some time. And if you move by the holding the left mouse button and place it in the 30th frame, I mean the last frame which was in 15, then you add some extra time. So all the letters will be not in animation mode for I mean 2 seconds. Why 2 seconds? 10th frame to 30th frame, it is say 20 frame there, and my frame rate is 12 at the properties window. See that? So they will be there for some time. You check that they are staying at the bottom for some time. So it is a nice dropping effect, and by the transparency you can add animation. And it is the part 1, and in the part 2 I will show you how you can separate the animation. Okay, for any live tutorial, contact us on Flash projects, or if you want to learn Flash, we provide online Flash tutorial. Okay, just call us or mail us. You will check our contact numbers, etc., and just contact us. Our fee is around $50 per hour. Thank you very much.